Sinabi po ni David sa Psalm chapter 119 verse 105 na your word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. Sa panahon po ni David wala pa silang kuryente or flashlight. So ang ginagamit nila pag naglalakad sa gabi, ang source ng liwanag is lampara or torch. And alam naman po natin yung capacity ng torch or lampara na magbigay ng liwanag is sa maliit lamang na area. And David is comparing yung salita ng Panginoon na parang torch or lampara na enough for him to take those few steps, to make those few decisions sa kanyang buhay. Hindi man ito masagot lahat ng anxiety, lahat ng questions sa kanyang buhay. Now para sa atin mahirap ito sometimes kasi we want all the details sa ating buhay na masagot ng Panginoon. The thing also is, David is celebrating here not the light itself but the light giver. Para kay David po, enough na sa kanya na kahit gaano man yan kaliit niyang liwanag na yan, enough for him to take those few steps to move forward. Alam po niya ang source ng liwanag na yan and that is ang Panginoon. Para sa atin po, hindi man masagot lahat ng questions, lahat ng anxiety sa buhay natin. But God's word, God's guidance is enough for us to take those few steps sa buhay natin to move forward. Meron pong napakagandang quote na pwede natin baunin habang nabubuhay tayo dito sa mundo and that is, I don't know what future holds, but I know who holds the future. And that is enough.